Hey YouTube, how's it going? Just want to do a quick video here on this gold piece that I received in the mail the other day. I entered a raffle on Instagram and won this for $40, which was a pretty good deal. The raffles, they can be risky. You can get in trouble quickly and lose a lot of money, but sometimes it pays off. And I think this was one of the big payoffs that I've had in the recent months by entering raffles. So I'm gonna give you a close-up here. This is the 2017 limited mintage 1/4 ounce 999 Gold Libertad. And it is just gorgeous. See if I can get it any closer there. Now, as I said, this was a limited mintage of 1500, which makes it a little bit more collectible, but I'm not really into the collectible side of stacking. It doesn't suit me. Silver is silver, gold is gold. It's really just the purity and the weight that I mind. I'm not into the artsy pieces or anything super collectible, just because it's extra money. It doesn't have to be spent. If you're into that, cool. But, it's not for me. And I noticed on YouTube, there's not a lot of comparison videos with sizes with these 1/4 ounce gold coins. And of course, the Canadian gold and the, St. Gaudens, 1/4 ounce gold pieces all are different sizes and different widths. This is the Libertad, and here's just a quick comparison with a few coins that you might recognize. So a quarter. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me. It's not quite the size of a quarter, and it is not quite the size of a penny either. So the quarter comes closest, and when I won this, I figured it'd be smaller, but it's actually quite a nice size. See if I can zoom in right there and get an even better shot for you. There's a little hair, I believe, right there, and I cannot get that out because I don't want to take this out. I believe at one point this has been taken out. You can see the scratches on it. I did not do that. The previous owner did that. That should be just a flat reflective mirror, but at some point this was taken out and handled. But nothing's wore down. It's in great shape. But, collectible pieces, people freak out over rubbing them, or, the tiniest scratches, people can flip out with collectible pieces. But, yeah, first YouTube video on the channel. So, I think this will be a good start. Start off with gold. Can't go wrong, right? Thanks for watching. In the future, I'll have some more silver and gold stacking update videos. Things of that nature, gold, knives, EDC gear, all kinds of things that you'll see from this channel. So appreciate you watching. If you can give a thumbs up, it will help me out, definitely. And if you're into the stuff I'm into, why not subscribe and see that stuff more in the feed. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.